Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to tag someone on Instagram story. For that, you need to head into Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. So in order to tag someone on Instagram story, make sure you have added a story on Instagram, or else if you haven't yet added any story on Instagram, tap on the upper left corner your story button. So when you reach to add to story page, you can either select a video or image you want to add to the story. Once you have added a picture, now you need to tap on the top of the screen sticker like icon, tap on it, and now you need to scroll down, and here you can see the mention option. Tap on mention, and now you need to add the username of that user you want to tag on the story of Instagram. Once you have chosen the person, you can adjust this tagged username this way and add anywhere you would like to by dragging to the left or right. You can also add music and customize this story before adding to Instagram story. Now tap on the arrow like icon on the bottom right corner. If you also want to add your story to Facebook story, then you need to let it toggle on, or else if you don't want, then you need to tap on your story option and tap on turn off once. And now you need to tap on share button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Again tap on done option, which is at the bottom of the screen. And now you have already tagged someone on your Instagram story. If you want to check either they have been tagged or not, you can tap on the upper right corner message icon and once refresh this page and tap on the user conversation on this page, and here you can see that it has clearly stated that you have mentioned this user in your story. This means that you have already tagged someone on Instagram story. This is how you tag someone on Instagram story. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.